Hi, Ron Benning and Sean Milam here in front of our new listing at 1415 Eucalyptus in Newman, California. This is a fourplex on a big lot that we've been told could be further developed in the future. Today we're going to tour 3 of the 4 units. If you have additional questions, once you've seen the video, look down below. We'll have attachments. We hope to hear from you soon. Before we get started with the property tour, I wanted to give you a little bit more information about the property and the area. The property was built in 2003 and features 4 3-bedroom, 2-bath units. It also has a stucco exterior and a tile roof. It has a lot that's just over 1 acre. All of these features are hard to find in a fourplex. By looking at an aerial shot of the lot from overhead, you can see that there's plenty of room for future development. I've been told that the sewer line is already run to the back and that the back 2/3 of the lot can be developed. This makes the long-term opportunity of this property much better than many of your other options in the area. For those of you unfamiliar with Newman, Newman is a city in Stanislaus County, California, located in the San Joaquin Valley region of the greater Central Valley. The city had a population of just over 12,000 in 2022. Newman is located about 55 minutes from Stockton, 39 minutes from Modesto, 44 minutes from Merced, and 46 minutes from Tracy. Many of Newman's residents make a short commute to one of the neighboring towns. Newman enjoys a small town feel while still being close to solid employment opportunities. Affordable homes draw many outsiders to the community. Let's take a quick look at the current rents and market rents. As you can see, 2 of the units are currently rented at $13.75 and 2 of the units are rented at $13.95. According to research using Rentometer Pro, a rent over $2,000 a month should be possible over time. If you look down below the video, any of the reports and information that I'm referencing in this video will be available in the links in the description. By using the current rents at the list price of $795,000, we have a current GRM of 11.95. Over time, if the rents were brought up to $2,000 a month, the GRM would be 8.28. I've also included a partial P&L for the building that can be assessed by looking at the links down below. Let's take a look around. So you can see that the property line is way back there. It is our understanding that this lot could be further developed. The information we have in the MLS is based on what we were told. I would make sure if you're considering potential development that you go check with the local building department, because we can't make any actual representations about the buildability of this back half. It's my understanding that the sewer line is running to the back and that the water line is running about halfway back. But again, you should verify all that information independently with the building department. you want to see more tours of small multifamily properties in the Sacramento, Stockton, and Central Valley area, or you want to learn more about investing in small real estate investments, please subscribe to the channel now. If you're curious about how I can help you find your next investment property, look down below in the description for a link to a video about how I can help you and to the list of all currently available multifamily properties now. You might be surprised about how much help we're providing to our clients and the type of help that you may not have ever seen available before. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions.